If you want to earn up to $600 online, all you need to do is focus on this video for the next 10 minutes. By following the instructions in this video, you can constantly be earning money without working. The method I'm about to show you is used successfully all around the world and will mean you have money constantly coming into your account without doing anything. But first, welcome to my channel. This is a place where we focus on all the ways we can make big money online. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and if you tap the notification bell, you'll also know when my next money making video is up. Also, comment below. My favorite part is reading your comments and hearing what you think. Let's quickly move on to making your money. Today's focus is GIFs and what we do with them to make money. What a GIF actually is a silent image file format, and its foundation carries static and animated images. There are many of them out there, and an example of them is when you comment on social media and then you're given an option to send a GIF that expresses your emotions and thoughts. Some GIFs are so popular that everyone knows them. Let's head to Giphy.com and get started. So Giphy is where GIFs are uploaded every day by all sorts of different people. There are all sorts of varieties to fit any mood. In fact, there are millions. But thankfully, to make money with them, you don't need to upload them or anything else to Giphy.com. This lesson is all about downloading them and using them. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Right now, open Giphy.com up for yourself. You can search specific metrics like how many likes and followers each GIF has. If you look here, you can see this GIF is popular because it has so many likes. Here is another popular GIF, but what we want is a GIF that has followers. You can also find out how many followers and likes a GIF has by searching via Google under the images search engine, and this way you'll find even more GIFs. This GIF here I really love, so I'm going to choose this one. What's great about it is how many followers and likes it has. So making sure you've chosen your GIF, let's move on to the next part of this lesson. It's time to save your GIF to your phone or laptop. Just hover over the GIF, right-click, and then save the image. Now it's time to go on to a new website called eClincher.com. eClincher is a work-sharing site and one of the best social media management platforms out right now. Heaps of people use it to manage their social media accounts. The best thing about this site is that it's all about boosting the return of investment on your social media activities. And like any great social media account, it connects to Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Don't worry, it's completely free, and you don't need to have any of these social networks set up, and you definitely don't need any followers. eClincher does all the hard work of helping its customers grow their social media account by helping them get more followers, improve their social strategy, and like I said earlier, increasing customers' return of investment on their social media campaigns. Now we're at the next step, so please make sure you're at the eClincher.com site now. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. Give a thumbs up to my video and drop a comment below. We really care about what you think, and we really love having you in our community. Now let's head back to eClincher and get you earning money. Please focus now on the instructions. I want you to navigate to the bottom of the website by scrolling down. Now you need to tap on the partner or affiliate button so you can join the program, so you can start to use your GIFs to make you hundreds of dollars in cash. I'll share a little bit of real-world context with you so you can understand money making with GIFs better. So far in 2021, nearly 4 billion people have connected to social media networks worldwide, and that number is rapidly increasing. So as you can see, there is a huge pool of people that could be using eClincher, and that for every referral you make, you can earn up to $100. And yes, obviously, if 5 people are referred, you will make $500. Let's go on to joining up to the affiliate program at eClincher by clicking here right now. Now you're going to find yourself at this page where you're going to enter your email, name, country, and company name if you want. Just leave the website blank for now. There's another site that we will use for that part later to generate traffic, and we will add it in later, so please don't put your own website. Remember, this is a worldwide site, so wherever you are in the world, you can totally do this. Of course, you're going to need to make up a password and tick that you agree their policies and conditions. Finally, the best part, we now have the affiliate link. When this link is clicked on, they can sign up to eClincher and you can make $100 just like that. I will break this down now very carefully, so don't worry. Just remember that eClincher is going to make your referral make money with their social media accounts. Using your affiliate link, you're going to start pushing traffic just by using the GIFs that we downloaded before. We're now heading into the final part of the tutorial. Please go to imgur.com. This is another really popular website used by millions of people every day. And the best part is you only need 4 people of those millions to make yourself $400 cash. It's easy to sign up here and totally free. Tap the sign up button just like this, and when you've done it, it's time to upload and publish that GIF we downloaded at the start of the video. So here's how. Click on the new post here and you'll be taken over here to this website. This is the place you're now supposed to be in, and you will find yourself here, and this is where you need to think of a heading for your post. This post needs to be really appealing so it grabs people's attention and they click on your affiliate link, and then you earn that 100 cash per click by each person. Watch what I'm entering for ideas. You can change it around however you think it's going to grab the most attention. Now, for the description, you want to follow up your heading with an urgent call to action that also grabs people's attention. And this is where you will place your affiliate link, and it's really important people see it because clicks on it are what will make you money. For an example here, you can enter something like how to grow your TikTok network and things like that. Once you've finished up with your post, it's time to get it out into the community by publishing it on imgur.com. So, click post publicly and you are finished. What you've done here is publish an eye-grabbing post that millions of people on this site are going to see and want to click. The GIF that you've published, people from all over the world are going to see it now. And when just one person clicks on that affiliate link and they sign up to eClincher, you will be paid $100. And you can do it over and over again in different styles and ways that will get people's attention. So keep on downloading some really cool GIFs from Giphy.com. This is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and if you love it, check out all my videos and please like this video and follow my channel. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.